What is a robot? Simply put, it's a machine programmed to do tasks automatically, making life easier, safer, and more efficient. Robots aren't just science fiction. They're everywhere, from car factories to Mars rovers. The first industrial robot, Unimate, started work in 1961, and since then, robots have transformed industries and daily life. They sense, move, and make decisions based on our instructions, handling repetitive or dangerous jobs without getting tired. Automation lets machines follow set rules, freeing humans to focus on creative and complex problems. Robotics blends mechanics, electronics, and computer science, quietly shaping our world every day. What makes a robot tick? What are the fundamental elements that allow these incredible machines to perform tasks, interact with their environment, and even mimic human actions? At their core, robots are built upon three main parts: sensors, actuators, the physical components that allow movement, and programming, the intelligence that drives their actions. Sensors are a robot's eyes and ears, the means by which they perceive the world around them. They are responsible for collecting information about the world, like cameras for sight, enabling them to see and interpret images, or microphones for sound, allowing them to respond to auditory cues and commands. Actuators are the muscles, the components that translate electrical signals into physical motion. These are responsible for moving arms, wheels, or grippers, enabling the robot to interact with its environment and perform physical tasks. All of this movement is based on commands. The robot's brain, a computer, is where the magic truly happens. It runs code that tells it what to do with the information from its sensors, processing data, and making decisions based on pre-programmed instructions. For example, a robot vacuum uses sensors to detect obstacles, identifying walls, furniture, and other obstructions in its path. Then, its brain to plan a path, calculating the most efficient route to clean the entire area. Finally, it uses actuators to move and clean, navigating the room and removing dirt and debris. Programming is the rulebook, the set of instructions that dictates how a robot should behave in different situations. It's what letting robots adapt and make decisions, allowing them to respond dynamically to changing environments and unexpected events. The harmony of sensors, actuators, and code working in perfect synchronization brings robots to life. Every robot, from toys to industrial machines, relies on this teamwork to get the job done. Automation means systems run with little human help. Robots are a big part, but automation is everywhere. It boosts efficiency and safety, letting machines handle repetitive or dangerous work. Robots on assembly lines build products with precision, while automation in places like car washes or thermostats makes life easier. Automated systems follow a simple loop: input, like a sensor, processing, the controller, and output, action. This loop powers everything from factories to your home's smart devices. Automation protects people, improves quality, and tackles jobs humans can't do safely. It's the invisible engine behind much of modern life. Robots and automation are rapidly becoming ubiquitous, permeating nearly every aspect of modern life. From factories, where they streamline production lines, to hospitals, where they assist in complex surgeries and patient care, to farms, where they optimize crop yields and resource management, and even outer space, where they explore distant planets. Industrial robots build cars with incredible precision and assemble electronics at speeds that were once unimaginable. They perform tasks with unmatched speed and accuracy, revolutionizing manufacturing processes and boosting productivity. In medicine, robots are transforming healthcare. Surgical robots like the Da Vinci system help doctors perform delicate operations with enhanced precision and minimal invasiveness, while other robotic systems automate the dispensing of medicine, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Furthermore, robots are being deployed to disinfect rooms, reducing the spread of infections in healthcare facilities. On farms, automation is increasing efficiency and sustainability. Autonomous tractors and drones are revolutionizing agriculture, precisely planting seeds, meticulously monitoring crop health, and efficiently harvesting crops with minimal waste. This technology is making agriculture smarter, more sustainable, and more efficient, ensuring food security for a growing population. Robots are also taking on dangerous jobs, protecting humans from harm. They handle tasks like bomb disposal with precision and care, and explore disaster zones to locate and rescue survivors. Drones are used to gather critical information in military operations and rescue missions, providing situational awareness and support, ultimately keeping people out of harm's way. Space robots, such as the Mars rovers, are pushing the boundaries of exploration, venturing into environments where humans can't go, expanding our knowledge of the universe and paving the way for future discoveries. These incredible machines are fundamentally changing how we live, how we work, and how we explore the world around us. The future of robotics is not just coming, it's rapidly unfolding before our eyes. It's a landscape filled with incredible potential and groundbreaking innovations. Robots will become smarter, more helpful, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives, offering assistance and companionship. They will work alongside us in new ways, enhancing productivity and opening up possibilities we can only begin to imagine. Advances in artificial intelligence are the engine driving this revolution. These advancements will make robots better at learning, adapting, and understanding us, leading to more intuitive and effective interactions. But as we move forward, we must carefully consider ethics, ensuring responsible development and deployment of these technologies. We also need to address the impact on jobs, preparing for a changing workforce and the need for new skills. We should be focusing on skills like creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem solving, which will be invaluable in this new era. You can join this exciting field. It's more accessible than ever before. Start by exploring robot kits, which are a fantastic way to learn the basics of robotics and engineering. Dive into the world of coding, as programming is the language that brings robots to life, or join a robotics club, where you can collaborate with others, share ideas, and learn from experienced mentors. Experiment, tinker, ask questions relentlessly, and never stop pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And don't be afraid to fail. Failure is an inevitable part of the learning process. Remember, every mistake is a step forward, bringing you closer to your goals. Robotics is a giant adventure, a vast and exciting field filled with endless opportunities for innovation and discovery. And your ideas, your creativity, could be the spark that ignites the next major breakthrough, shaping the future for generations to come. So start building, stay curious, keep learning, and never lose your passion for exploration. Be part of the next chapter in robotics. The future is waiting to be written, and you can be one of the authors. Thank you for watching.